are at the racetrack. We've got Rob's Nova. You're hoping for low 9's.
Red Rocket.
I'm just hoping that it goes down the track nice.
What's the plan with you?
I don't know. To make a pass?
How much boost? How much boost you got here?
Well, should be about 15 pounds, I think.
That's wheelie boost.
Well, I still have it where I'll leave with like 10 pounds, hopefully. I hope.
All right.
See what happens.
You got the bump box all working?
No, I'm not going to use it.
No?
Well, I don't need to use it now. I'm not racing.
All right. Shape there off the head.
Well, that wasn't so great. Pretty much spun right off the hit. And when I gathered it back up, I mean, probably a wasted pass at the end of the day, but I guess we'll see what happens. Could have been a little fatter maybe, a little on the lean side. I'll probably have to add a little fuel up top. Thanks. Yes. All right, so it only went 1080, which is not to be, I mean, I kind of expected. But it went 140 miles an hour. So, yeah, that's pretty good. I'm really happy with that. So 140 miles an hour is good for a low 9, you know, mid-low 9 for sure. Definitely happy about that. Just need to get it to hook. Everything else seems good. I'll put a little fuel in and we'll have to try her again. Maybe leave it a little less boost, maybe. 736 to the 8th, which is slow, obviously. 168.60 foot time, so I mean, yeah. But happy with the mile an hour. Back in the lane to make another pass. Hopefully this one will go better than the last one. And we can keep her down for the whole quarter mile, and maybe we'll actually do something today. Riley's up there waiting to make a pass. Mike's behind me in the shit horse. He's ready to go. And we're gonna have some fun. All right, we're up here ready to make the pass. Waiting for our turn. There's a really noisy cougar beside me. Just watch the monkey fly. That's how you know that we're going fast.
Number 2 for Rob.
There, guys, it was like going, it felt pretty good, and then it's like all of a sudden it started making more boost, like started pulling harder, just all of a sudden. So I don't know if that boost controller, I don't know. Am I losing too much RPMs when I shift, maybe? If I'm going below 4,000, it might be kind of shutting the boost controller off. It's the only thing I can think on that particular pass. I don't know. It hooked good though. I don't know. Went 10.06 at 137. So now it lost mile an hour, which is weird. I don't know what to say about that. What happened there? All right, guys. So back in line again. What I figured out happened there is the way the boost controller is set up. You can set it to not work until a certain RPM or a certain coolant temperature. Apparently, I had it at 160 degrees, figuring the engine's always 160 degrees. Well, apparently it wasn't, and it didn't hit 160 degrees until 3/4 of the way down the track, and then all of a sudden it turned the boost controller on. So I changed that so that that won't happen again, and we're gonna try this again. Good, guys. Woo! Oh boy, that one worked. Looked good. Carried the wheels. Felt like forever, and felt fast. I don't know. I guess we'll see. I can't really say anything bad about that pass. Air fuel was pretty good. It felt good. 936 at 143. Woo! Yes. 13760 foot time. That's what I'm talking about. Woo!
So
936 at 143.
yeah, best pass on LS.
Yeah, that's it.
By a bit.
Woo! That was a nice pass. That felt really good. 137.60 foot time.
Damn.
Carried the wheels for a long time, didn't it? Felt like it did. Like I felt like I was like
pulled the driver's side tire for quite a while, but I think you need to still put more power into the tracks is good.
Woo! Yeah, air fuel was good. Everything felt good.
Kitchen sink time.
Yeah, it's an 8-second competitor.
I mean, it's still not as
Around the
fast
range.
as it went on with the nitrous setup, but
Close.
getting there.
Yeah, really close.
It still has all its pistons and
That's true. Yes, very good. Very nice. A really nice pass. Everything felt good. Alright guys, we're getting ready to go here. On that last pass, I made like 17 pounds. So I turned it up a little, we'll see what happens. Looks like we're racing a Turbo LS Datsun pickup, so that should be cool. What was that? Too much boost there. Yeah, that was like 25 pounds or something or more when I got on it there. So that's way too much. Track guys are going again. I turned it down, the boost controllers. Racing the shit horse. It launched really good, then it spun the tires, then I got back in it. Would have been good if it was a race, you know, against somebody. I mean, I was racing the shit horse, but afterwards the pass was really good, so yeah. Maybe when all the boost starts to come in, it's just too much. Maybe I got to do some suspension tuning, maybe playing around with the bars or something. I also have front end limiters in. Maybe I should have took those out. I don't know. Whatever. All in all, a pretty good day. We'll see. It maybe still ran half decent. I don't know. Mile an hour will tell us something at least. Thanks. Well, it went 967, but 145 miles an hour. So that would have been a really good pass if it had hooked up. And only a 149.60 foot. I'll take it. Oh, what did let's see what the shit horse went. Oh, he must have let off. 1981 at 36 miles an hour.
Fucking flies or
936. Went 936 today. Yeah, they're attracted to shit.
Oh wow.
936, and then I just ran 145 miles an hour, but it spun, so I had to pedal once.
SARS.
And so my best mile an hour with this setup, and I don't know how much boost that was because I haven't checked the logs yet, but I'm assuming around 18, 19 pounds maybe.
And he hasn't opened the hood all day.
I haven't opened the hood once today.
Just the laptop a couple times.
Yeah.
I guess we'll see you in the next one.